Login failed on Sharesight Fix. You tried to log into your Sharesight account to update your portfolio, but then the screen flashes login failed. It's frustrating, especially when you rely on Sharesight to track your performance across markets. But here's the surprising truth: login failures are usually caused by simple, easy-to-fix issues. Start by checking your login credentials. Sharesight requires your registered email address and password both must be exact, with no extra spaces or capitalization errors. If you're using autofill, clear the fields and type them manually. Many login failures happen because of hidden formatting from password managers. If you've forgotten your password or it's not being accepted, click Forgot Password. Sharesight will send a reset email. Make sure to check your spam or promotions folder if it does appear right away. Follow the link, reset your password, and try again. Next, check your browser. Old cookies and cached data can block authentication. Clear your browser's cache and cookies or open a private browsing window and log in directly from Sharesight's main website. Avoid using saved bookmarks if possible. They sometimes lead to outdated login links. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable and private. Public Wi-Fi networks or VPNs may interfere with Sharesight's security system, especially if you're logging in from a different country. If possible, switch to your home Wi-Fi or mobile data connection and retry. If you're using the mobile app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Outdated apps often fail after server upgrades or authentication changes. Visit your app store, install updates, and restart your device before logging in again. Finally, it's worth checking Sharesight's system status page or social media updates. If higher performing maintenance, logins may be temporarily unavailable. Waiting a short while usually resolves it. So don't panic when your Sharesight login fails. It's not a lost portfolio, just a small hiccup. With a quick password reset, a clean browser, and a stable connection, you'll be back tracking your investments and performance in no time.